Hey, you rolling?
I'm Austin Albany with Sublime Media Group, and today I'm here with a friend from Northern Kentucky. His name's Matt Plapp, and he runs an agency. Matt, talk to our people at home about the importance of consistently putting yourself out there as an entrepreneur or a business owner.
I think the biggest problem we have is that not enough people know who we are and what we do. If you're not telling people what you do, they don't know. And they're going to assume. And I'll tell you a quick story. A buddy of mine a while back named Tim did mortgages. And he had told me that, he's like, Matt, my family nobody's used me. And I did the numbers. There's been 18 mortgages done in my family, brothers, sisters, in-laws. None of them have used me. I said, the problem you've got, I guarantee you, they don't know what you do. Oh, they know I'm in the mortgage business. I said, Tim, I promise they don't know something. Go talk to him. He went, sat down with one of his brothers. He goes, yeah, you told us when you got in the business early on that the company you were with wasn't reputable, don't use you. So we've been using this guy you recommended 15 years ago. And so the problem was over those years, he had never taken the time to re-educate them, but also tell them what you do. And I think that's a big problem is a lot of people right now are buying exactly what you do, what I do, that we're connected with on Facebook and LinkedIn. They just have a different understanding of what we do, or they have no clue.
So is there a specific type of content you found that maybe works the best for you in your industry that you would want to share?
I think video, and I think non-sales video. One of the biggest mistakes I made early on was a lot of my videos were about me, how great I was, how great our results were, how we did this and that. When I realized that people just wanted help, and I just came out and said, like the Gary Vee model, like, hey, here's how you do it. Here's a step-by-step lesson. Take it and run. But I think video that is natural and that is educational with no strings attached is the best thing.
Perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Matt, for being here with me today. See you next time.